Hey guys, what's up? Just got this in today. This is a knife from Hot Dog Customs. I believe a guy named Roger made this. This looks like his work, and if this is from you, Roger, thanks. Do excellent work. It's got real nice file work on the liners, custom scale. Real cool button release on it. It's got a hard snap to it. And Duncan from Hot Dog Customs, thanks man. Thanks for selling this to me. About 75 bucks is all this thing cost. Not bad. Not bad at all. Be a good addition to my collection, I'll tell you that much. I love knives with filework. Love knives, period. Anyway, take it easy.